It's been about a month since I started YouTube, and while I haven't cracked the code, I've learned a few simple things along the way. So here are my 5 main lessons that may help you if you're starting out on your YouTube journey. Lesson 1: Consistency. Now, staying consistent is something easier said than done. Some weeks it's harder to make a video compared to other weeks. For example, this week I'm away on a business trip for the whole week, and during the day I'm at work, and at night I'm in this hotel room. And it would have been so easy to just say, let's not upload a video this week. But skipping one becomes skipping two, and eventually I would end up skipping more videos. And that's how routines die. For me, I've learned that the hardest part has always been starting, and usually when I hit record, the momentum carries me on and I end up finishing the video. So I set a realistic goal for this. 1 video a week, nothing more, nothing less. And it's not about going viral or anything, it's just about staying consistent and building habits. And one thing that has helped me stay consistent is lesson number 2: planning. Now, previously I used to spend hours filming random things and hoping a story just shows up in edit, but it was exhausting. Now I have a very simple workflow that I've designed and also built a Notion template to help me organize this, and I cut my filming and editing time by half, which is big time saver. And also I never miss a point that I want to say in the videos. It just makes the videos much better. And you can see how I organize my workflow in this video. Moving on to lesson number 3: gear. A lot of people may say that you need fancy cameras to make videos, but in all honesty, you don't. I've just been using my phone all this while and it works, it gets the job done. But one upgrade that's worth making is getting a wireless mic, because people could still watch slightly shaky videos, but if the audio quality is bad, they are more likely to leave. And one other good thing about having a wireless mic is that it sets you free. I am no longer restricted to being right next to the camera. I can take different types of shots now, wider shots, and it just makes things more fun. Which brings to my next lesson, lesson number 4: fun is non-negotiable. I could sit here and try to recreate trending videos, but honestly, it would just feel like a chore. Instead, doing something I'm genuinely interested in would make the whole process feel less like a job. And even if the video doesn't do well, or just have very little viewers, it was still something fun, and that's honestly enough to feel fulfilled for making that video. And the final lesson number 5: the power of having one viewer. It's not always about the thousands of viewers you don't have, it's about that one you do. When one person comments that the video helped them, or they just genuinely enjoyed the video, it's fuel. It's what makes filming in a hotel in the middle of the night worth it, because I want to build a genuine connection with you guys and build a community rather than just see the viewers as another number on the analytics page. And with that, that's 5 lessons that I've learned from doing YouTube for a month. And it's been messy, it's been unpredictable, but it has been completely worth it. And with that, cheers to many more months to come.